Might it be upside down?
Oh, I'm gonna be chef of curry roll. Put it somewhere safe. The spogness. I don't even think. Oh, it's on.
That looks. Yeah, that's good.
I shouldn't be near fire.
Cool.
I'll probably do that.
Take 3 cups for your team.
Okay, that's fine. Can I do it back on?
What was it?
Someone's used my cup.
No, they haven't.
And then you're going to pour it into each one. And also, you're going to keep an eye on that.
Yeah. It's just got a handle.
It looks like he's doing something, doesn't it? There's some sort of.
Not really.
Floor. Although I did lick it.
This could be a very strong watch.
That's right. This is never going to be annoying. Okay, wow, look at yours.
Yeah.
Like a magician, isn't it?
That was a good.
Like condensing.
Trying to make the bubbles in it.
Okay.
Alright, make sure you pour it in gently.
We've got milk in already. That's a good question. How do we put the flame out?
Go on, try it.
It's hot.
No, it's hot
I'm
chocolate.
gonna get burned. Do you want me to burn myself?
Yes.
Wow.
It's good for my view count.
Don't touch other people's biscuits.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh, that's actually quite nice.
Well, no, it's
Show you this. You were right. There you go.
like your biscuit, Leon. Is your hot chocolate hot?
Very hot.
How hot is it?
It's very hot. That's nice, that is.
Yeah?
That's really good. It's not even that hot. I'm gonna come in more.
Is this the first time you've cooked for yourself?
Who do you think I am?
Why is Aileen not doing it?
I had to do the
lazy.
That's not what he means by air drying.
Do you have to wash all of them?
Yes. Every time you doing something else.
You see me doing the bottom?
Doing it like a Doran flying.
What's wrong? What are you doing?
My hands are wet.
Your hand's never been wet before.
No, but like normally I have a tissue to dry my hands. But since we're in the wild, you gotta
In the what?
use what you got.
Clearly not in the wild.
It's the wild.